It is raining. Kind of puts a damper on the plants to go to the park today, huh, Evelyn? Oh, we saw some lightning. Oh, thunder. Okay, so I was hoping to avoid doing any more to my hair today, but it's a cold, rainy day. I had hoped to take Evelyn to the park for her first real park experience. That's about her. She's been to the park before and she was on the swing once, so she hasn't actually yeah, I swung her twice and that was it. She was kind of freaked out, kind of younger. I think she's older now where she'll be able to really sit and swing and have fun, play in the grass or something. But that's obviously not happening today because of the rain. I might get bored and do more to my hair. I'm hoping not. I'm trying to think of what else I could do. I know at some point Charlie wants to hang out, so I'm hoping he wakes up and wants to hang out sooner than later. But also I kind of don't want to have to drive. It feels so late out there, but it's probably not even 8 o'clock in the morning yet. My power went out last night, so my clock is blinking right now. That is not the time. I need to fix that for sure. What time is it? It is 7:44, so yeah, not even 8. And I guess Charlie has already messaged me, so I'm going to message him back. Oh, baby. Oh, and don't worry about this knife. This is not at all sharp. The set came with a fork as well, but that I have over here because this is pokey and sharp and really not safe. So she's not allowed to play with that. But the knife is literally not even dangerous. So I've been kind of moving stuff around. I had her diaper stuff in this drawer under the bed on the side over here. Because when we were doing cloths, she needed that much space. But now I've moved it over to this drawer. And I put her pants on that side for now. But I'm also thinking about putting onesies and stuff. I had both of our bottoms over here. But now I have my bottoms and my shirts and tanks. My shirts and tanks were in the top drawer that the diaper stuff is in now. And then I moved her pants, which were on this side next to my pants over here. So now she has half that space, and that's where I'm going to put shirts or onesies or something. She's got a lot of onesies. Let's see what she has a lot of and what can fill up that space. So here's her closet. These are sweaters, bathing suit stuff, swim stuff. Her onesies are, what's a onesie? These are onesies. And then these are shirts. So maybe I'll do onesies and shirts. I think they might actually both fit because her stuff is so small. So yeah, I think we're going to do onesies and shirts and then just keep her dresses and other stuff up here. Yeah. That sounds good. That sounds good. So these are laundry I just did. So this I can hang, but this other stuff I'm going to roll up because I like to roll our clothes now that we put in drawers. I just started doing that semi-recently. So those we can roll up. And I'll take out onesies. I think we'll start with the onesies and see how much room we have left. Because it might end up filling more of the drawer than I thought. So we might not have room for shirts. In which case we'll keep those hanging. Because I do have some of my stuff still hanging too. Like my crop top type shirts and things, long sleeve shirts. Anything that isn't like a t-shirt and a tank top, I have hanging. Because t-shirts and tank tops are what I had the most of. So, yeah. Okay, so I definitely want to go through her clothes soon because she has a lot of stuff that I don't even think is that cute. That she probably won't even wear, and she just has like a lot of it. I try to be more minimal, so I probably want to like cut down to probably like 10 pairs of pants or something. She's got like freaking 30, 40, maybe 50, and way less onesies because this row right here is onesies. Behind it is shorts and skirts and stuff. And then these are all like pants. Too many pants. But I do have room for shirts, I think. Right here. So I am going to roll those up and fit those here. And in a couple days coming up here, I definitely want to go through here and get rid of some of these pants. I might even do that today. I'm just going to get everything switched over to start. Yeah. Because this is all my pants and shirts. And I obviously am bigger than her, so my stuff's bigger. And her pants, I don't know. I feel like her pants are taking up as much room as mine, which means that she has like 10 times as much pants as mine because my pants are 10 times bigger than hers, if that makes sense. So, definitely want to go through those soon because a lot of them aren't even that cute. I don't know if that makes sense, but a lot of them are also bigger. I don't know what to do, so I'm not going to do anything yet. I'm just going to roll up some shirts and get rid of those out of the closet. Just going to get the shirts out of the closet. So those are, see this I think I can technically keep as a sweater. These are shirts though. See, there's several of these too that I could definitely like get rid of as well. But yeah, I'm just gonna pull these out. Like there's other stuff I don't think she's ever gonna wear. Like I can't actually see myself ever letting my child walk around in this halter top. But almost all of these clothes were given. I don't think I've purchased any of this. Anything I am seeing right off the bat, I did not get for her. There's still a lot of really cute stuff, but yeah. Can definitely get rid of some of it. Huh. But yeah, let's get these rolled up. This I'm going to keep in the closet. That can be a sweater. Dirty clothes. We have a thing of dirty clothes as well, so I have to keep that in mind. I think I'm going to get rid of I think I am going to separate some of the shirts out right now. She has a lot of shirts too. Yeah. Okay, so I decided to keep these piles for now. These are long sleeves, short sleeves, and I'm going to get rid of these. She did recently wear that top on top, but she's only worn it once, and now I'm going to get rid of it. Mostly because it's white. Anything that was white for the most part I took out, except for a couple of tops because I thought they were so cute and I wanted her to wear them at least once. But I'm trying to cut down stuff. So anything that she hasn't worn that I didn't, or that I don't know. I just got rid of a bunch of stuff. She hasn't worn a lot of this stuff still, but yeah. She's still growing and she still has plenty of time to fit in it, so yeah, we're gonna get rid of these though. Just to cut down the bulk. And then we're going to fold those up, throw those in the drawer, and be done with that for now. Okay, so that's done. The shirts have been gone through. I should have taken the time and gone through everything else, but I still feel like I could cut it down now too. And this is what her closet looks like right now. She has a lot of dresses that I'm not super fond of either. We hardly ever wear dresses. But I'm thinking that when she gets older, she'll wear more of these. This might be the one she wears on her birthday. If weather is cooler. Or this. Oh. I don't really like these brown ones. But I'm going to leave those for now just in case she kind of grows into them. Because I don't want to get rid of too much stuff. Because soon she's going to start wanting to like dress herself. And stuff. And I don't know. I don't want to be selfish. I don't want to get rid of all of her clothes. You know what I mean? I need to hang this one up. But yeah, her shirt area of her drawer is like definitely the smallest portion. We really need to get rid of some of her pants. I want to get rid of most of her pants actually. I only really like the ones that are like legging material. So I don't like jean material pants or anything. They're just not, just don't seem comfortable. They're not my favorite. Oh no. Thought I lost the zipper. So, and also there's ones that aren't like cute print. Like I like just black or just pink or just purple, like plain like that, or sparkly, or you know, something that's not really crazy print. And also I want to get rid of probably like all the blue ones and stuff. Anything that when she wears it, I have to think to myself, hey, is she going to be called a boy in public? You know, because I don't know, I'm all for like, I want her to either look like a girl or like more neutral. I did put her in in a lot of blue for a while. But, I mean, she's still freaking bald. And she won't wear any headbands or clips or anything. And I'm just sick of people calling her a boy in public. I just don't want to have to deal with it. Oh, what's his name? Oh, her name is Evelyn. You know what I mean? So, go through her clothes more and avoid that. I think she has enough baby pictures if she ever decides to, like if she ends up being transgender or whatever, I think I don't know, I think about stuff like that. So I made sure that when she was like a baby and stuff, to like make her to where if she ever does transition, that she could have pictures of herself as a baby where she isn't just like in all pink and a dress and stuff, you know what I mean? Where she could be like a boy. I don't know why I did quotes. But you know what I mean? I don't know. That's something weird to think about. But I'm supportive in whatever she wants to do. I'm not going to judge her or anybody else. So, yeah, I just want you to be happy and you're playing in the dirty clothes. I'm going to put the camera away and put all these freaking hangers away that are all tangled up now. Huh? Let's do that. Just got like quite a few things. Like, this isn't, I don't think either of these are cute. I'm going to get rid of these. Sweaters. She has lots of sweaters, lots of jackets. She only needs like 2 or 3 at the most that fit. We live in Southern California. It's not even that cold. I just like having a couple just in case, you know, because she's a baby and sometimes she has poop explosions that get on them somehow, or they're dirty. See, like these are blue, but these are still cute. Like this, she can still wear for a while, even though it's blue. And this one she wears, I think it's girly enough. Some pink ones. See, like this one? I don't know. I'm going to keep all those, though. They actually didn't feel as bad as I thought. This is kind of cute. These are, dresses are what are the most hard to get rid of. Because I'm hoping that she will want to wear them soon when she's walking and stuff, but she just won't wear them right now. So, at least not poopy ones. Like I can get her something like this that I can put leggings on her with. This, we'll get rid of this one. This isn't, it's cute, but we have so many of them. Let's get rid of a few. Like she has, see, but they're different. They're slightly different. I love these romper things, but not been warm enough for her to wear them. Alright. I do have my underwear. Cute. Let's get you out of there. You're in the danger zone. Play with the clothes. Rip the clothes off the bed. Or not. Go right back. Tripod fell down. Sorry. I'm gonna turn off the camera and be a responsible adult. I think everybody got the gist. I got the gist. Future me got the gist. Future Evelyn got the gist. We all got the gist. I'm going through the clothes. Okay, I was starving, so I ate a bagel with vegan Gouda cheese and mushrooms. She had some mushrooms and cheese and some Cheetos that are now all over the floor. I went ahead and took out some of the uglier pants because, you know, I just opened the drawer and like anything that I saw that I was like, okay, that's an ugly pant, or like it didn't feel right, I just took out. I mean, there's still stuff, plenty of stuff in there, but yeah, it's better. Okay, so it's almost 2 o'clock. We've kind of gotten around. Let's turn off this. Oh, baby. We are, what are we doing? What are we doing? We are leaving here, and we are going to hang out with Charlie. Oh, on this rainy day. I'm wearing these shoes, because these are the only shoes that, like, might not get my feet wet. All my other feet, it's, like, immediate. Or not all my other feet, all my other shoes. We really need to go get rain boots, so maybe we'll do that. I also need to buy diapers and wipers for the baby. Wow, it just got pretty dark. Taking you off the tripod. There you go. Oh, Charlie's texting me. Alrighty. I guess somehow the battery is dead again on this, even though I changed it today. That's kind of annoying. Super annoying. Not kind of. And I'm looking for snacks. Honestly, I love snacks. I'm hungry. Always hungry. Well, it's not dying again yet. Oh, I forgot. I gotta get Charlie's loot crate. Kimberly sent him a loot crate for Christmas. And it came in. Have to remember that. Here it is. Now I think we can go. It is raining. I have an umbrella in the car. I'm gonna grab us coats. She has one in her diaper bag, and I have some in the car. But we're gonna grab some right now. I'll put the loot crate in the diaper bag thing, probably. Alright, we're about to head out. I forgot the darn clips from my seat cover, so these parts are a little loose. Oh well. I'm not gonna go run in and get it. Let's go! Oh, and I didn't grab myself a sweater after all, but I did put one on the baby. It's starting to pick up the rain. We are here, waiting for Charlie to come out. I'm gonna change the battery in this camera, because I know it's dead. Down to the honky tonk. You didn't know I like country music? You didn't know? Now you know! My battery like literally doesn't say it's dead now. Maybe it's because we totally dropped the camera, so it died. So it shut off. I don't know. I guess I'm gonna leave it for now and see what happens. I have 2 other batteries in here, just in case. Come on, Charlie, you gotta hurry up. I'm gonna call him. Because it's raining outside.
Yes?
Hi.
So where's your evidence that you're here?
Oh, never mind. I see you.
No, you don't.
Come help me.
I'm not here.
I can see you.
I don't even know.
We're making eye contact. Oh, it's not even recording. I just turned it on. How come I never record our good conversations?
That's how life works. Shane Dawson is Shane Dawson.
Shane Dawson is
Gay.
I'm pretty sure he's bisexual, first of all.
Gay.
And second of all, because he's dope and he's funny. And also he's real, because he used to be like, you know, fat and poor and like, you know, real.
You still take care of his mom?
I think so. I don't see why he wouldn't.
Telling people thank you isn't gay, Sarah. It's common manners.
It is. It is manners. It's just basic manners. That's from the 90s movie.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Sarah has no manners, and she told me that if she says thank you, that it's gay.
No, I didn't say
And
that.
I'm gay for accepting her thanks.
If people did
She
watch
called me
my
a
videos,
homosexual.
people don't watch my videos, but
She
if
told
they
me
did,
that I'm a homophobe because I said that I have no problem with gays, but that
I'd be
there's a
offended.
certain level of comfortability that gets like, you know, just gays are just weird. And then she was like, wow, you're a homophobe. And I was like, you're a floboblobe.
None of that's true. We love the gays.
Right? There's a gomoblobe.
Charlie was just hanging out with his gay friends before we hung out. Loves the
They
gays.
made me super straight.
You know what's ironic is your gay friend that you were hanging out with earlier today would be super offended if he heard all of that. Charlie doesn't care. He thinks it's funny. That's okay.
I don't mean it.
Where are we going? Walmart? And then food? I need rain boots. I burned my finger curling my hair earlier.
You curled your hair?
Yeah, you think my hair is naturally just curly? It's straight in the front and kind of curly in the back. So I have to curl the front or else I look ridiculous. Or straighten the back. And it's actually a lot faster to curl it. I used to just straighten my hair, but now I'm just getting, now that I'm older.
So for those of you that are trying to cosplay as Sarah.
Yeah. I mean, if you're trying to cosplay as me, you can literally...
Sarah's trying to cosplay as Sarah.
If you're trying to cosplay as me, you could literally just do like whatever with your hair and it would be like me at some point in my life.
Shave it off.
Well, I mean, even that would be me as like a child. When my dad shaved off my hair.
You don't have a mental breakdown and shave your head with me?
No. When I have mental breakdowns, I don't shave my head. I bleach it in dye it colors, or I cut it. I cut it. That's what I do. I just put it in ponytails and do the chop. I like it though. I love it. I'm glad I did it.
Hand.
Pretend you're in pain. Act like I'm really doing it and you're in pain. And I'm gonna edit this to look like the strong man vagina.
Ow. Ow.
You're so realistic.
That pussy's so tight. It's
Oh my
cutting
god,
fingers
don't
off.
make it gross.
She cut my fingers off with her vagina.
It's like teeth.
She's got such
Have you
a
seen
strong
teeth?
grip, yeah, that she
Me
was able
too.
to cut my fingers off with her vagina.
Vichansha.
with her begonias. Oh, Sarah's hitting me. She's abusive. Ouch.
Oh, sorry. Delayed. It's like when the audio doesn't match it up to the TV. You know? You just like hear the abuse and then it happens. Oh, you like my thing? Charlie's using it for the first time. Put it right there.
Hear the abuse.
Is it good right there?
I have a new phone number now.
Okay, do you want to tell the whole internet what it is? What is it?
8675 free your mind.
Is that a real
No.
number? That seems like too many. Free your
Word.
mind. Yeah, that seems like too many letters.
What are you talking about? 8675 FYMD.
FYMD.
Yeah, for your mind.
Frymond.
Fymond. My number is
that's my
1805
That's not my
8675 mids.
Mids. Whatever. You're definitely more like a high guy, a high grade, not mids or lows. You're more of a lows. I'm just kidding. It just sounded better. Ooh, donuts. Batteries and bulbs. Trader Joe's. Ooh, we should go to Trader Joe's and get jackfruit.
We should go to Trader Joe's.
We should just go to Trader Joe's after this.
We should walk all over and be all over.
Oh, it's closed over there again? I hate when they close that whole half of the parking lot. Because Walmart ends up full and then people are all parking on the side. Last time ended up parking right here in front of Carl's Jr.
Carlsbad Jr.
Yeah, that's what I would just
Carl's
do again.
Jr.
There's spots there. And I don't mind walking. This is the wrong direction. Do not go the wrong direction with like 10 cars coming. That's also the wrong direction.
Shut up.
Go the right freaking direction.
No. I don't want to.
He wants to go the wrong direction.
Yeah.
Down
There's
the
not
parking.
one way to do everything in life, Sarah.
I know, but the right way is going the direction that they tell you to go.
I think it's fucked up that if I told you this, I'd be stomping on your dreams.
Not true at all.
That is.
You don't need to stop me up here. Never mind. I don't even know what I was going to say. See, you should just park in front of Carl's Jr.
You should just park
Oh.
in Carlsbad.
Wow, lady.
Wow.
You definitely... Oh my god.
Good
Did not
bitch.
have the right of way.
I'm gonna hit her in the face.
And somebody put their cart right here too. That's annoying. I think you should just park in front of Carl's Jr. maybe. Oh wait, no, that guy's getting out. You should park where that guy just got out. Excellent. You need to pick up these carts. Just like a shit ton of them. Right
Get
next
out.
to our space. You get out.
Okay.
I like how these like kid holders are directed right to collect the rain. On those carts right now. Okay, let's grab the babes. We're at Walmart. I think a cart is unnecessary because we need like 3 or 4 things.
So we need a cart. Got it.
No. We need
Oh look,
diet.
a calendar.
Diets.
Look, it's a SpongeBob calendar.
Is it really?
No.
Oh.
It's a fucking asshole. Skirt.
Skirt.
Cut you off.
Rude. There's baby stuff. Go to the baby stuff. Skirt. Skirt. Where are you going?
Finding everything all right?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Alright, we need some wipes. I like these parent choice ones. Fragrance-free. Those sensitive. Plant-based, 99% water. We'll do these ones. And then we need some wipes. Wow. Whoops. Some diapers. I think we should get size 5 now. It's kind of growing out of the size 4. What size pack do you want to get? Do you just want to get a bigger one or do you want to get a tiny one?
I don't care. I mean, I didn't bring a shitload of money.
Okay, so you just want to get one of those?
Sure.
You need size 5.
A little bigger.
Yeah, that's fine.
But you wanted, what was the one that you really liked?
I like them all. I just don't like the crawler one, the cruisers.
Right, we made a cruise.
No. My favorite.
You said you don't want the cookie. Now that's what I'm going to do with everything.
Please don't. Okay, so what else we need? Boots.
A few shorts for me.
That's it. We can get infant Tylenol later.
Yeah.
We could have technically have gotten diapers later too, but I only have like 4 or 5 with me.
Sarah?
And I'm out at home.
Sarah?
What?
I'm not going to act like I care. I'm
Wow.
gonna act like I care.
Savage.
Hey. Tell me all your problems. I need to know them.
I don't have any problems.
I care. I care.
My life is perfect. Okay, that's
Thanks,
enough.
appreciate it.
Okay, Walmart's over. We went to Trader Joe's real quick. And
We're over.
Oh, I'm like hot. We got some quick stuff from there, and I guess we're gonna get food. I think we decided ramen ultimately. I'm not 100% sure. Is that what we're doing?
I'm not going to answer you.
We're doing ramen? I think we're doing ramen. I think that's the last thing we decided. Just not Mexican was basically what I said.
And which has offended the shit out of me.
That's just because I've been eating like nothing but Mexican-inspired food.
I'm hurt.
Sorry, babe.
I can't believe you
What? Oh.
here.
Get out of here. Go, 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 go. Floor it. You got any cash for this guy? That sign has way too many words on it.
Might be confused.
Daisy nails. What are we doing here? Is this where ramen is? Is that what you said ramen is, like right here? Oh, there's ambulance, firefighters?
You know what they say.
No, I don't know. What do they say?
Touch my pee-pee.
We gonna get us some ramen from here. If you're ever in the area, go here. They got some good ramen. I'm trying to have a cute moment. And we were being all cute. And I wanted to catch it on film, and this is what happened. Let me break out the camera. Just speechless. Staring right at it. Hi! Good morning! I love you! This is not what you were doing before. Can I have the phone back? Woo! Hi, good morning. I love you.
I know we got coffee, remember? So we're gonna have coffee to like tone it down. Babe, that's crazy. How is it?